I'm gonna start it again so I can.
This meeting is being recorded.
Hey guys, so I just previously, made a video. I'm not sure whether I was muted or not, but there is a glitch with Carnival, okay? So as the agency owner, I do receive emails of, on what the agents and stuff are booking. And so just so happened, I decided to go ahead and take a peek at, what this person was booking. And I saw something that I've never seen before. I saw $1.20 in commission, like $1.20 in commission. And the booking was for $2,300. And so the first thing on my mind, I'm like, hey, do you know why you got $1.20 in commission for Carnival? So, I even checked the rate details. I'm thinking maybe they booked some kind of military rate or something like that, but no. And so, the agency, I guess she's busy, but she didn't get a chance to call me back or text me back in enough time. So I did call Carnival. And so the rep at Carnival, she said, oh my gosh, you guys must be, a part of the glitch or something like that. I'm like, what glitch? And so she's telling me that Carnival had a glitch. Carnival had some type of glitch, and it affected commissions. So you guys should be getting a minimum of 12% commission, at a minimum. You may even get 16%, but you should be getting a minimum of 12% commission, okay, when it comes to booking Carnival. And that's I'm going to release this video, so that's if you're a part of my agency. Some agencies have, lower commission. Some of them, maybe a tiny bit high. But with Mommy and We Travels, your commission should be a minimum of 12% commission, 12 to 16% commission, okay? So if you check your bookings and you just so happen are a part of the glitch, what you need to do is you need to call. You need to call Carnival, and then they will add you to this list that IT has. Then they're working on the commission, okay? So if you have an individual booking, you need to call this number. The number to call is 1-800-327-7276, and it's extension 70033. If you have a group booking, you need to call 1-800-327-5782, okay? So I'm going to show you guys this foolishness, but I've never seen it or heard it in my life. So I do feel that Carnival should have actually sent down an email or something like that, because, how do we know to even take a peek at that if, if it's not, something that you would normally do? When we book stuff, we're expecting for it to be booked properly and our commissions to be there and all of that good stuff. So I am a bit upset with Carnival that no one knew. They didn't even message, the agency and say anything about this. So it's kind of like a secret. So y'all do yourself a huge favor and check your commission, okay, when it comes to your Carnival booking. So I'm going to show you this, okay? So look at this. The booking is for $2,313.05, and then the total commission is $1.20, okay? That's I don't know. This is a mess, okay? And so that's just one of them. Let me show you another one. Let me show you. Let's see. A mess. Here's another one. Okay, let me share it again. A mess. Okay, so here's this one here. This is it's the same booking, same amount, but $1.20. Let me show you another one. Let me make sure it's not, okay, the total is $2,313. Let me find another one. All right. I don't think that one's affected. Let me see. And so it doesn't look like all of them are affected. Like, that's the weird thing. All of them definitely are not affected, but some of them are. Look at this one. share this one. All right, look at this one. This one, the total is the same, but the commission is $27.90. Like, that's not it. That's not the commission, okay? So let me show you one more. Let's see. Let's see. All right. Let me see. Can't find any more of my emails. But listen, all I'm saying, you guys, is to check your bookings. Check your bookings. Please, please, please check your bookings when it comes to Carnival. They said, well, check your 2023 bookings that haven't been out yet. Check your 2024 bookings. And hey, I would say check all of them. 2023, 4, 5. Check all of them, whether you have a group or whether you have an individual booking. So I hope that this helps somebody. You guys, once again, if you are part of this Carnival glitch that's going on, this is what you need to do. Get your booking numbers all together, okay? If you guys do not know how to find your bookings, you just go to GoCCL, and then you type in the from date and the to date, or if you know everything, the booking number, you'll be able to toggle through your commissions. Actually, let me see something. Let me see if I can show it to you real fast. All right, I'm gonna do this. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna go right here, manage individual group stateroom. All right, and then you're just gonna type the booking number in there. So let me type it in and let me show you. Give me a second. All right. All right, so I'm gonna share. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna click right down here. Where is the thing at? Reports. Oh, you have to go into each of the bookings. Okay, so I'm gonna pull up an individual booking, so give me a second. No, hold on, let me show you how to, once you go into reports, you should be able to, so reports, group detail workup, give me a second. All right, once you go to group detail workup, let's see if the bad commission is in here. Oh, the bad commission is in the group detail workup as well, you guys. So if you guys have a group, if you click that group, let me show you. Let me share my screen again. If you go to group, and right here, if you go to reports, and you go to group detail workup, you should be able to see all of your commission there. If you got a group, y'all check y'all groups. If you have an individual, let me show you what to do. You go back, and then you search by that individual's name, not name, I'm sorry, individual booking number. Right. I'm just over here searching the individual name. All right, and so let me show you this. I want to show the client's names and stuff. I can't even, let's see, I'm gonna do this. All right, so take a peek at this. I'm trying to hide the client's info. Here. All right, so then you'll click right here on commission detail. When you click on commission detail, that will actually break down your commission and actually show you what it is. So I really hope that this video helps somebody. Y'all check out commission, especially if you're booking with Carnival right now. I don't know what's going on. They didn't give us a warning or anything like that, but please check your commission. Give these numbers once again. Once again, if you have a group booking number that's affected, 1-800-327-5782. And if you have a individual booking that's affected, you need to call the regular travel agent number, which is 1-800-327-7276, extension 70033, extension 70033, and just say, hey, this is my booking number and my commissions are messed up. And then they'll contact IT, they'll put you on the list, and then it'll eventually get fixed. So I really hope that this helps somebody, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.